Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. Today we'll discuss on the engineering change record. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So first, let's understand what is the engineering change record. So in ECC, we were using the engineering change master to do the any kind do the change management. But in the S4 HANA from 2020, they introduced the engineering change record. So engineering change record is one step ahead of the uh, engineering change master or change classic change management. So here, before we do the changes, we can uh, propose our changes through to all the department who are responsible for that master data, and they can review and they can approve. So in engine change record, they have the functionality of process route. With that process route, they we can do the we can initiate the workflow to get the approval from the corresponding department to review and approve. So that increases the insight of changes. Okay, so and this engineering change record is basically it is Fiori launchpad basis. So it have Fiori launchpad, and it works with status network, and we can define the status network in the customizing. Okay, so this is the engineering change record in compared to the engineering change master in the classic ECC. Okay, now what are the capability of the engineering change record and what is the benefit of engineering change record? Capability, like it drives the end-to-end change management process. You first you do the approval, and what, so when you do the approval, you will give all the content like what changes you are going to do, what is the reason of changes, what is the object, everything you can inform to the corresponding departments through the workflow. They will validate, they will approve, then you will do the changes. So it will manage your end-to-end change management process, and you can define a flexible workflow as per your business process. What as per business structure you can do the workflow, and it will give also it helps digital signature. When someone approve through workflow, they can use their own digital signature, and it will so that it increase the insight of changes, so everyone can know what changes going to happen in the which master data. So it will also create the one kind of awareness about business. If any business process also going to change because of that master data changes, so that will be many people get the corresponding people will be aware of that one, so that it increases the insight of change. So because of this functionality and ability of engineering change record, so what benefit you will get will, it can increase the it will reduce the risk and cost, and it will improve the process efficiency, it reduce the complexity, guarantee compliance and quality. So these are the benefit we can get with this engine change record. Now next, what will be the content of engineering change record? So when you create a engineering change record, that will have reason for changes, expected completion date, and who are so the participant involved in the change, object, which object you are going to do the changes, and if any attachments, if you want to give the some instruction document, something you can attach there, and that will have the status information. So every there will be different status you can maintain in engine change record. So you can that will have the also workflow and some records, if something records. So this content will be there in the change engineering change record. Now we'll discuss about some configuration. So currently I cannot share my system in here in this video, but I pick some screenshot So I'll try to explain what are the configuration generally required for engineering change record. So if you look at the, so here this is in the SPRO logistic general. So in the logistic general, under logistic general there is the node product life cycle management, PLM. Under PLM there is the engineering change record. Okay. So and under change record there is basic setting. If you go to the this basic setting, there is the number interval. First we have to enter the number range interval. Okay. So so some number ranges are there in by inbuilt in the system. So if you need something more, you can add that one. So then again after engineering once after number range there is object categories. Object category, so it is already in the SAP, but if something did not address your business, you can enhance, but these object categories will be there in the system. Okay, like document management, in bill of material, change master, everything will be there. Okay, and these are the reference object types, bomb item, bill of material. So with all these will be inbuilt there in the SAP. Okay. So after if you look at after this change management, under change record basic setting, so we check, see the number range, then object type, object category, then user status. In user status you'll put all these status, like initial change request in review change, all these you can config as per your business process. You can config all these statuses. Okay, make a change, so whatever you required, you can do these changes. You can create this user status. Okay, and once you create this user status, here in the user status action, under the user status action, here you can assign those user statuses. Okay, you can assign this user status. Here suppose you say start change process. If you start change process, what will be status? Change request review. So the all these like as per your status action you can assign the user status. Okay, after once you complete the user status action, after that you can assign the user status profile. In user status profile, so you have to application means change record will be application and status profile. And under the status profile, under status profile you can maintain the field, like what will be the initial status when you create the change record, what will be the what will here. So once you create this one, what will be the your change initial status, so there you can maintain in the field. Then this these are the actions, like so there you build all the actions, but for your status profile, for suppose, because there will be standard actions, and also if you are customizing some actions, those will be there. But for your business process, what actions you need, so with this profile you will assign all the your required actions here. Okay, so suppose you use this profile in the during creation of change record, so then these actions will become there. Okay. And then condition like every action have some kind of condition. Suppose start accept change request, on what basis, on after which status you will accept the change request. Okay, so that you, in that condition you will maintain. Okay, so this is the configuration of the status profile. So for the engineering change record we need the four Fiori of. One is so here one is engineering change master, manage change master, manage change record, inbox engineering inbox, and another manage team and responsibility. So in manage change record we can create the change record, and in manage change master you can see if you, whatever change master created along with change record, we can check this manage change in this Fiori manage change master. And any, if you are using workflow, then if any message or something can communication can come to this inbox. And in manage team and responsibility, there you can manage who are the corresponding people, responsible people list, all those I mean what is their responsibility, which person. So those team you can maintain in, it can be maintained in the manage team and responsibility. Okay, so I just tried to capture one screenshot of that Fiori. So this is the Fiori of manage change record. There you can create, if you click this one create change record, you can create the change record. Okay, so here like there what we I say that content will be there. Once you fill content and add everything, so here like once your this change record approved, so because if you look at, there will be some workflows, analyze impact, everything will be there. So here once it approved, one change master will be created along with that change record. Okay, so that change master can be used to do the corresponding changes of the master data. Okay, and here also with change record we can analyze the impact, what changes we are proposing, what will be the impact of that changes, that also we can analyze. Okay, so this is what I tried to give the information about the engineering change record. So I do not have I do not have system to share. I cannot share that system here. So I tried to give that information. So if you like this content, please share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.